Hey, all right, here we are at the 2011 Blues, Brews, and Barbecue Festival. This is the Brothers and Barbecue team. This year's theme is music. Let's check out the booth. Guys put some effort into it this year. Got a nice setup. We're getting ready for the judges in about 10 minutes. Basically what we're getting ready to do now is turn in our ribs. We have a 12:15 to 12:30 turn-in time. And we're getting things ready in the final seconds here. These are the guys finishing things up. Here we got Chris. It's going to be our final product that we're turning in to the judges. Chris, how you liking things here today?
We're looking good, guys. We've got a good chance to win today.
Good deal.
That one, and potentially, I don't know, we'll have to see. I'm going to turn this over in a minute. We might like that guy too. But we got another 15 minutes before they show up, so it's still time for that to do some good work. Got plenty of heat, so we're all good there.
How y'all doing today? Great. No, we're pulling it off to wrap the we'll put a rib on each time the judge come by and present it. We'll pull it off of here, put it on a tray, cut it out.
You don't cook on this.
We cooked on this, yeah. Cooked on this and fish on this with just to get all that caramelization. Definitely cooked on this. You gotta talk to that guy right there. He's the green egg man right here. It's Applewood.
Low and slow, baby. Low and slow.
Low and slow. There you go.
Like low, what temperature? Full smoking for less than 200 for 2 hours, and then bring it up slowly, and then end up cooling it. So you really cook down ribs, and then we finish. How long do you cook them on this thing? Started at 2 after me. Start 5 in the morning.
They've been
What time is it? 12:15? They've been going at it for 7 hours and 15 minutes.
So thanks a lot. This has been today's edition of the Blues, Brews, and Barbecue 2011 edition. This is the Brothers and Barbecue team.